Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoyta Creation Designs. I am coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another It's Fall Y'all swap reveal, and the number of this swap reveal is number 13. Number 13. This next artist that I am going to be featuring today, her name is Miss Maggie. But before I get started, I want to say thank you so much, Miss Maggie, for being a part of this It's For Y'all swap, and also for allowing yourself to walk in your greatness, and also for allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the queens here in this group. So Miss Maggie sent her package in this white padded envelope, and I am going to go ahead and open it up. If I have any information on Miss Maggie, I am going to leave it in the description box, okay? And that's if you see something that you would like for her to make or duplicate. So here are our items. Give me 1 minute, y'all. Pull everything out. Okay, she has a swap buddy. And she has something for me. Thank you so much, Miss Maggie. And she has some cards. Okay. So let me see what else she has in here. All right, that's it. Envelope for her swap buddy. Okay, so I'm gonna open up mine first, y'all, and then we're gonna get to the swap partner. I'm gonna read my card as well. I'm trying to make sure that I read these cards and stuff, because sometimes I don't read the card. Oh, it says thank you. It says just 2 little words, but they say it all. Thank you so much, Joyce, for all that you share with us. Your inspirational word and tutorials, and creating a positive platform where women can love on one another. Thank you, my friend. Love you. Oh, I love you too, Miss Maggie. You're so very welcome. All praises go to the most high. All praises go to the Most High, y'all. Okay. So let's see what we have. Let me see what I have. She got it in this really pretty, well, first of all, she had it in this gorgeous bag right here. These are really cute. And then she had it in this tissue paper. Let's see. I like to move this stuff so we can actually see what the goodies look like. Okay. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wait a minute, hold up. Oh, boy. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much, Miss Maggie. Wow, look at these. I love this color. It's for y'all. Y'all are right on top of it. Like I've been saying, these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Miss Maggie. We greatly appreciate it. Yep, everybody that has been creating and bringing in and sending in stuff, all y'all stuff has been going with the theme. Definitely with the theme. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap my stuff back up, put it back in my pretty tissue paper and back in my box, my bag, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up the swap partner. So, also, if I have any information, and I don't know if I said this, I'm going to make sure I leave it all in the description box so that you all can reach out to Miss Maggie if you would like. But this is for her swap partner. And her card goes as follows. It says, okay, she has a contact information off on the side. Just 2 little words, but they say it all. A woman in harmony with her spirit is like a river flowing. She goes where she will without pretense and arrives at her destination prepared to be herself and only herself. Maya Angelou. Thank you for your gifts and talents. Oh, this was gorgeous. Now, sometimes, y'all, if y'all see me hesitating, it's because I have a hard time making out the words because of the writing sometimes. So that's why I be hesitating when I be reading it. But this is absolutely beautiful, Miss Maggie. And we greatly appreciate you walking in your gifts and your talents, Queen. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and open up. And this is number 13. This is swap number 13. I'm hoping that I might be repeating myself, y'all, so don't pay me no mind. So she came in this beautiful blue paper. She really had this. Oh, wow. So, wait a minute. Well, she got a couple of things. Oh, this stuff is gorgeous. Let me move this. This stuff is gorgeous. I'm going to start off with these earrings. These are cute. Okay, so she got these earrings right here. These are some wood earrings. And these are really, really, really cute. It looks like it might be a whole set. So we have the earrings. I'm going to set that right there. Okay. Then we have, I think this might be a whole set. Is this these colors are gorgeous. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out. Oh, okay. Oh, so these are, yes, it's a whole set. So these are bracelets. You have a wire wrap bracelet right here. And then you have 2 single bracelets. And these are stretch bracelets. But this is gold. Look at these colors. Gorgeous colors, y'all. Like gorgeous. Okay, so like I said, you get 2 of these. And then you get a wire wrap bracelet, which is really cute. This is really, really cute, Miss Maggie. That's beautiful. And then I believe that this is this is the necklace. Wow. Let me move this over to the side because the necklace. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, look at that, y'all. That is gorgeous. Wow. It's long. It's real long. That's the thing that I like about this. Is long. It's heavy. It has some weight to it. Yes, Miss Maggie. This is beautiful. I love these earth tones. This gold and orange and all of that. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So here, this is what y'all are going to be getting. You're going to get the beautiful necklace. You're going to get the bracelets and these bad earrings. Look at this. This is an awesome set. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, Miss Maggie, I want to thank you once again for participating in this here It's For Y'all swap. This was It's For Y'all swap number 13, y'all. Okay. So I want to thank y'all for watching. And if you are new to this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side. And make sure you like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next one, ladies and gentlemen, peace and blessings. See ya.